Hi, uh, there is a question from NCRT 10th class and the topic is arithmetic progression. Shortly we call AP. Okay. AP stands for arithmetic progression. And the question goes like this. Uh, Find the sum of first 51 terms of an AP whose second and the third terms are 14 and 18 respectively. So in the question, second term and the third term of an AP are given 14 and 18 respectively. By using this information, it is asked to find out the sum of first 51 terms. So to solve this question, we need to recall the formula belongs to arithmetic progression. So let us see in arithmetic progression the related formula to work out this question. In an arithmetic progression, here we need to know first one is nth term of AP. That we write Tn, which is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. And second one, you need sum to find n terms. That is sum of n terms. Sum of first n terms we call. That we write Sn, which is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into D. So these are the two formulas we are going to use to work out this question. So make a note these two formulae. Then coming to our question. First let us take what is the given information. It is given that second term is 14 and third term is 18. I am taking the second term given. Second term which is equal to 14. Then how do you write second term? Here these two write nth term, it is a plus n minus 1 into d. So here second term is n is equal to 2 we write, that is a plus 2 minus 1 into d. 2 minus 1 is only 1, so I can write a plus d. Second term is, so this is nothing but second term is just a plus d equal to 14. Say this is equation 1. Fine. Next given third term of the AP is 18. It is given third term is equal to 18. Then how do you write the third term? The same thing. In Tn, put n is equal to 3. There you are getting n value 3. That is, this is 3 minus 1. It is 2. So a plus 2d you are getting. The third term is going to be a plus 2d, which is equal to 18. It is the equation 2. By solving 1 and 2 equations, first we can get a and d values. Let us find a and d values, then further we need to check what is required within the question. So to solve these two equations, just I am writing equation 1 exactly under 2. So I am taking the equation 1 under 2. That equation 1 is a plus d, which is equal to 14. It is the equation 1. Then to get a and d values, subtract. Here these two signs will change. All the bottom line equation signs will change. Plus a minus a gets cancels. 2d minus d is d, which is equal to 18 minus 14. What is that? It is 4. So you got d value. And substituting d value either in equation 1 or equation 2, you will be getting a value. So I am taking equation 1. That is very easy. So put d equal to 4 in equation 1. And substituting d value in equation 1. That is a plus d value is 4, which is equal to 14. Then collect 4 other side. A equal to 14 minus 4 which gives 10. So you got A value also. We have A value and D value right now. Then next what is asked? It is asking find the sum of the first 51 terms. To get sum of the first 51 terms or sum of n terms of an AP, now we are going to use this formula. Then sum of first n terms we have, that is n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. That indicated by Sn. But now here we require S51. That in the sense n is equal to 51 we write. Just I am substituting the values. N value is 51 divided by 2 into 2 into A. A value already we got, it is 10 plus n minus 1. N value is 51 minus 1, write in brackets, and D value. D value is 4, that is into 4. Just we simplify this, 51 divided by 2 into, this is 2 into 10, 20 plus 51 minus 1, it is 50 into 4. Again 51 by 2 into 20 plus 50 into 4, it is 200. It is 51 by 2 into 20 plus 200, it is 220. Then do some simplification. Here this is divisible by 2, 2 ones and 0. It is 51 into 110. Therefore, is 51. Sum of first 51 terms is equal to, just multiply these two that you are getting. First I am writing the 0 as it is, then multiply 11 and 51. It is 11 ones are 11. 1 in mind, 11 5s are 55 plus 1, 56. So sum of first 51 terms is 5610 of the AP. I hope you understand. So thank you for watching video.